Tiranga flag, when put together, it talks about discipline. If you are not disciplined, you cannot have peace. And if you are not
Your inspiring speech, I'm sure, is going to take every word with a golden message.
A very happy 79th Independence Day to one and all. As the principal of Delhi Public School, Mahindra Hills, I, Nandita Sunkara, congratulate all the Indians for a wonderful 79 glorious years. 1947, that was the day when all our predecessors have sacrificed their life. And today, if we are so free within the four walls of our institutions, homes, and the country, I think many sacrifices that went through down the line. For past 1 week, we have been celebrating various activities, debates and monologues and flag making, Rakhi making, etc. with the patriotic singing competitions, dance competitions, poster making, etc. I think that developed a lot of patriotic fervor. But the message to my students that rolled out was, it's not just this 1 week or 1 month of August that we celebrate, it's every day. There is a hero in each one of us. Yes, definitely the Operation Sindoor success has brought in much more closer for the Indians to understand what exactly is in store. With our leaders on the top who have given us the promise of moving India to a higher position. That's a dream that our Prime Minister has given, and I'm sure these younger generation are going to make that dream come true. We as educators have a lot of responsibility on us. The entire team of DPS Mahindra Hills, under the guidance of our Chairman Shri M. Kumaraya Sir, Director Pallavi Ma'am, CEO Mr. Yashasvi, Young and Dynamic Leaders, Director Ms. Tribhuwana. I think it's a dream come true. When we promise about the holistic growth in the school, I think every student has been given the kind of opportunities that are required. Our scriptures speak about the values and righteousness, integrity, and being honest and diligent. And I think that is the message that we very earnestly pass it on. When we talk about Viksit Bharat, Bharat, where we want to see a tricolor go higher and higher. With that in mind, our Chairman Sir has been very generous in distributing all the tricolored flags to all the students and the staff members whom we are looking forward for them to hoist it tall and high on their terraces and balconies on the day of Independence Day. And yes, that develops a lot of patriotic fervor. Today we are so proud to have had our chief guest, Ms. Madhavi Lata Garu, and her message mesmerized the youngsters. And the kind of strong message that went across about the tricolors and the responsibilities of students, I'm sure each and every student is mesmerized to take back that message. The message of diligence and commitment from our chairman, Shri M. Kumraya sir, and youth being a leader who can be the change maker from our CEO, Mr. Yashasvi, I think has taken in a right stride. Our school provides so many opportunities. A message to the parents on this note that patriotism does not mean that one has to be standing on the border to become a soldier. It can also be in our own manner by reducing the anger, developing a lot of tolerance for the right reason, being reverent, diligent, and do the duties diligently. I think that is what is patriotism. Looking at their own classmates and peer group in right spirit, keeping oneself away from any kind of distractions, I think is the norm that we require. The mesmerizing performances of our students, right from the tiny tots of Cambridge Wing early years till grade 10. And we take pride in saying that today we had a tricolored walkathon. All the students right from class 7 and above held the tricolor in their hand, furled it with pride, and were flagged out from the main block. And we went all the way close to 2 kilometers of walk for our students. I think with Vande Mataram and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, these were the words that sent, I think, goosebumps for the children. And with that message of taking pride in our tricolor and living a true patriot, I would salute to the motherland. Jai Hind.